Hey everyone, it's Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something a little out of the ordinary, the SYLVOX 75-inch outdoor TV with rolling stand. Unlike standard indoor TVs, this one is built specifically for outdoor environments, delivering 2000 nits of brightness, sunlight-readable 4K visuals, and full weatherproofing. Whether it's for your backyard, poolside, or a commercial space like a bar or restaurant, this TV is engineered to perform where most traditional TVs would fail. First off, the size and brightness really make an impact. A 75-inch TV is already a statement indoors, but outside it becomes an entirely different experience. With 2000 nits of peak brightness, the picture remains sharp and vibrant even under direct sunlight. To put it in perspective, most high-end indoor TVs, even OLED and mini LED models, max out at around 800 to 1000 nits. Outdoors, anything less than 1500 nits can look washed out, making this 2000 nit screen a true standout for outdoor viewing. Next, the weatherproofing is impressive. Rated IP55, this TV is protected against dust and water splashes, meaning you can leave it outside without worrying about rain or dirt. Unlike typical TVs that would fail after a few exposure incidents, this one is designed to survive heat, humidity, and even colder temperatures, making it a reliable long-term solution. The rolling stand adds unmatched flexibility. You're not limited to wall mounting. Move it to the grill for a backyard barbecue, closer to the pool for a party, or adjust it in a commercial setting so everyone has the best view. This mobility is not just convenient, it's a feature that significantly enhances the overall outdoor experience. Build quality is rugged. The metallic frame is durable, industrial grade, and fully sealed, ensuring it can withstand the elements. You're getting a product that's not just about looks but about long-lasting reliability in extreme environments. Picture quality is excellent, thanks to 4K resolution, HDR support, and QLED technology. The colors are vivid, and contrast remains strong even under sunlight. OLEDs would typically produce deeper blacks, but they aren't suited for bright outdoor conditions, making QLED the ideal choice here. Movies, sports, and gaming all look fantastic outdoors. Speaking of smart functionality, the SYLVOX comes with built-in access to apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+. That means no need for extra devices, though you can always connect a Chromecast, Apple TV, or console if you want. It's all ready to go right out of the box. Audio outdoors can be challenging, but the built-in speakers are tuned to cut through ambient noise, making dialogue and music clear. Pairing it with an external weatherproof soundbar will take the experience to the next level, but even the built-in speakers perform admirably. The TV is perfect for a variety of use cases. Homeowners can host backyard movie nights, pool parties, or gaming sessions. Commercial venues like bars, restaurants, gyms, and resorts can stream live sports or entertainment outdoors.